As I mentioned just a few days ago, I ordered this vintage Sony mic off of Reverb from Towa's boutique Yokohama. And if you're wondering how that experience went, if I actually received the mic and what shape it arrived in, stick around.
From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
So 6 days after ordering this off of Reverb, this shows up from Japan on my doorstep. 6 days! It's taking me longer to get stuff from Sweetwater in Indiana. And when I first got the box, I noticed that it's completely wrapped in tape, which is great because that tells me that this person understands that when you do that, you protect the insides of the box from moisture leaking in. So I had a very good feeling, just looking at the way that the box was prepared. So here I am trying to cut this open with a knife on camera and not cut myself. I got to tell you though, that the anticipation I'm feeling at this moment is massive. This thing is filled with these little air pillows, right? Packing pillows. Here I'm trying to pop it like bubble wrap, and it won't pop. Maybe I need to go back to eating lunch, but I mean these things are really sturdy, and there was about 2 dozen of them in there or more. And the rest of it is totally wrapped in bubble wrap. So at this point, I have a very good feeling about this. You're actually listening to the C355 right now with no EQ on it going into the MT48. So as you can see, first of all, there's a bubble wrap bag. Big bubble wrap bag here with the stuff in it, which is also in bubble wrap. Here's a little vinyl pouch for the mic. And this is the mic holder. And here I'm going to dramatically cut through the tape here. And again, this is just the mic holder itself. You could probably throw this in the box, especially inside that bag with all the other bubble wrap in there. But this is wrapped in 2-3 inches of bubble wrap. I mean, really just attention to detail here. Very much appreciated. And, this is a 40-year-old mic clip, so I don't know how durable this plastic still is. But it's cool, right? I like it. So here it is, the main event. And again, you can see that there's at least 2 inches of bubble wrap around this thing. And I'm feeling like a kid at Christmas right now. I'm ripping this thing open like it's December 25th, and this is the present I've been waiting for. So overall, right, I mean, I'm feeling really good about this mic. I mean, I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, I'm in my mind at this moment, I'm wondering what it's going to sound like. Is it going to sound familiar to anything that I recognize? Is it going to fall into a category that I can define very easily? So, all this is going through my mind while I'm tearing this open, trying to keep the mic framed on camera. And there's a lot of bubble wrap here. I mean, really, I am super appreciative of how much effort I had to put into unwrapping this because it arrived, in exactly the same shape it was photographed in for the Reverb listing. So here it is, a couple of little scratches on the mic body, which were in the listing. But overall, I mean, for a 40-year-old mic, for a mic that was designed in 1984, not bad. And again, like I said, you're listening to it right now, so what do you think of this thing? So overall, my experience with Towa's boutique Yokohama is, 5 stars. Absolutely 5 stars. I mean, their description of the mic was excellent. They knew what they were talking about, and the way it was packed. I mean, overall, great experience. I would absolutely buy from this seller again. I'm going to keep an eye on their listings in case I see something else that I like. Because now I think I may want to try to find some more vintage Sony microphones. A proper on-camera demo of the C355 is definitely in order and will be coming soon. But I wanted to give you this first peek, this unboxing, and a first listen, and a review of my experience buying off of Reverb. Because, I've bought off Reverb before, but not from an international seller. And this was really a great experience. And 6 days from Japan to my doorstep, I can't beat that. I thought it was going to take a couple of weeks. But what won't take a couple of weeks is my next demo of the C355. I was wondering when I ordered this thing, all I was hoping was that the mic had some sort of vibe. And so what do you think? Does this have a vibe? What do you think overall of what you're hearing right now, the C355 from Sony? All right, you know what to do. Leave a comment. And until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black. Hey, pre-orders are available at Amazon for my new book, The Modern Voiceover Career Owner's Manual, coming out on May 15th. Find the pre-order link in the description below.